Have you ever wondered where colors get their names? Today we are investigating the Ukrainian word Blakyt, which means sky blue, heavenly blue. And we are going to trace it all the way back to ancient Hebrew scrolls. Because this single word carries inside it a hidden piece of one of history's greatest mysteries: the journey of the 10 lost tribes of Israel through the lands of Ukraine. In ancient Hebrew there was a word, Tekhelet, Strong's number 8504. It described a special heavenly blue color. But not just any color, it was a sacred dye used for the most important things in Israelite life. In Numbers 15:38, a thread of Tekhelet was attached to the tassels of Israelite garments, a reminder of heaven and God. In Exodus 26:1, the curtains of the tabernacle were woven from Tekhelet. And in Exodus 28:31, the upper robe of the high priest, the ephod, was made entirely of Tekhelet. Tekhelet is the color between blue and violet, the color of the sky at dawn, the color of divine presence. Now, the detective part. How did Tekhelet become Blakyt? Step 1. Tekhelet, Tleket. Two middle consonants, K'ach and L, swap places. This is called metathesis, and here is proof. The Hebrew word dakar, Strong's 1856, meaning to pierce, gave us Ukrainian dirka, meaning hole. DKR rearranged into DRK, exactly the same mechanism. Step 2. Tekhelet, Blakyt. The consonant T shifts to P, and here is living proof. The Hebrew root tamak, Strong's 8551, meaning to support, to help, gave Ukrainian pomahati, to help. The consonant T shifted to P. The meaning survived perfectly across thousands of years. This is not an exception. This is a phonetic law. Step 3. Tekhelet, Blakyt. P becomes voiced B, and here is proof in reverse. That same shift works in both directions. B and P are an interchangeable pair. This is not an exception, this is a system. At the same time, KH shifts to K, a standard consonant change. Another example, in Hebrew, tavar, to sink. Its imperative form tibu appears in sources. Compare Ukrainian topit, topitsia, drown. The shift B to P and back mirrors the Tekhelet chain. Same phonetic law, same meaning preserved. Step 4. Blakyt, Blakyt. The vowel E shifts to A and the word receives its Slavic ending. Notice the most important thing, the meaning never changed. Tekhelet, Strong's 8504, heavenly blue sacred color. Blakyt, heavenly blue color in Ukrainian. Across thousands of years and multiple phonetic shifts, the word carried its original meaning all the way to us. This is the hallmark of a genuine borrowing, when the sound changes but the meaning survives. From Blakyt comes Blakytny, meaning blue, Blakytnity, meaning to turn blue, an entire word family with the same ancient root. Next time you hear someone say sky blue in Ukrainian, you may be hearing the echo of a sacred word that a high priest in Jerusalem wore on his robe 3,000 years ago. This is not a coincidence. We have documented over 350 Hebrew roots with systematic correspondences in Ukrainian, the same phonetic laws, the same patterns, the same preserved meanings. This body of evidence points to one conclusion. The 10 lost tribes of Israel passed through the lands of Ukraine. They settled, they mixed with local peoples, and they left their language behind, fossilized inside Ukrainian words that we still speak today. Tekhelet became Blakyt. The sacred blue of the tabernacle became the color of the Ukrainian sky. If this detective story resonated with you, hit subscribe, because there are hundreds more words like this ahead. Each one, another piece of evidence. Each one, its own journey through the millennia.